The 3 essential vitamins that can restore leg strength and stop cramps in seniors *. For many seniors, leg cramps, weakness, and loss of balance are an everyday struggle. What most people don't know is that 3 specific vitamins cannot only prevent cramps but also help restore muscle strength at the molecular level. Backed by clinical research and real-world results, these nutrients have the potential to make your legs feel decades younger. Why leg cramps are so common in seniors *. Leg cramps are not just a nuisance, they are often a sign of deeper nutritional deficiencies. Up to 78% of elderly people who suffer from frequent nighttime cramps are deficient in one crucial nutrient. Unfortunately, the medical establishment rarely focuses on these simple solutions, partly because they don't generate the profits that prescription drugs do. The truth is, when certain vitamins are missing, the muscles and nerves in your legs simply can't function at their best. Without correction, this leads to weakness, cramping, and loss of mobility over time. Vitamin D. The overlooked muscle builder *. Most people know vitamin D for its role in bone health, but it's also a powerful muscle activator. When sunlight hits your skin, your body produces vitamin D3, which travels to muscle fibers and activates special receptors like keys, unlocking tiny locks. Without enough vitamin D, these receptors stay closed, and muscles can't contract or relax properly. University of Zurich study followed 248 seniors for 2 years and found that those with vitamin D levels below 30 ng per milliliter experienced 3 times more leg cramps. Supplementing with just 2,000 IU of vitamin D daily reduced cramp frequency by 68% in 8 weeks. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium flow into and out of muscle cells. Without this regulation, muscles can get stuck in a contracted state, causing painful cramps. It also activates genes that help create new muscle proteins, boosting leg strength. Key recommendations for seniors: aim for 2,000 to 4,000 IU per day, taken with a meal containing healthy fats for better absorption. Ideal blood levels 4060 mg/ml. Test every 6 months. Natural sources: fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified milk, egg yolks, and midday sun exposure. Case study: Margaret, a 72-year-old retired teacher, suffered nightly leg cramps for 3 years. Her vitamin D level was critically low at 18 ng/ml. After starting 3,000 IU daily, her cramps nearly disappeared in 6 weeks, and within 3 months, she regained enough strength to climb stairs without holding the railing. Vitamin B12. The nervous system protector *. If vitamin D builds muscle, vitamin B12 ensures the brain's electrical signals reach those muscles. B12 maintains myelin, the protective sheath around nerves. When myelin deteriorates, nerve signals get scrambled, causing weakness, cramps, and tingling. Research from Tufts University shows that 40% of adults over 60 have low B12 levels, often without knowing it. In one study of 3,000 seniors, those with B12 deficiencies had 80% more frequent cramps and significantly lower leg strength. Supplementing with 1,000 mcg daily improved muscle function by 45% in just 12 weeks. Key recommendations for seniors: best form, methylcobalamin active form. Ideally sublingual for better absorption. Dosage: 500 to 1,000 mcg daily. Ideal blood level: 500 to 800 pg/ml. Food sources: clams, beef liver, salmon, fortified cereals, and nutritional use. Case study: Robert, a 68-year-old accountant, had jelly-like legs and nightly cramps. His B12 was technically normal but well below optimal. After 3 months of sublingual methylcobalamin, his cramps dropped by 75%, and he regained the strength to play tennis again. Magnesium. The master mineral for muscle relaxation. Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical processes, most related to muscle and nerve function. Without enough magnesium, muscles stay partially contracted, leading to cramps and fatigue. In a study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, seniors with low magnesium had 7.5 times more cramps. Supplementing with 400 milligrams of magnesium citrate daily reduced cramps by 86% and boosted leg strength by 58% in 6 months. Magnesium works by pushing calcium out of muscle cells after contraction, allowing relaxation. It also supports ATP production, your body's energy currency, and helps build new muscle tissue. Asterisk key recommendations for seniors. Asterisk best forms. Magnesium. Glycinate gentle on the stomach and citrate high absorption. Asterisk. Dosage 400 to 600 milligrams daily. Split into 2 doses. Asterisk food sources, pumpkin seeds, spinach, dark chocolate, almonds. Asterisk avoid taking magnesium and calcium at the same time, as they compete for absorption. Asterisk case study. Eleanor, 75, had nightly cramps for 5 years. After starting magnesium glycinate, she went from multiple cramps nightly to none at all within 3 months, and regained enough strength to garden again. Asterisk the lifestyle habits that multiply results. Asterisk vitamins alone can't restore leg strength if muscles aren't being stimulated. These 4 daily habits, combined with proper nutrition, can dramatically enhance results. Asterisk 1. Eccentric loading, slowly lowering into a chair over 4 to 5 seconds, builds strength more effectively than standing up. 10 minutes a day reduce cramps by 71% and increase leg strength by 52% in seniors. Asterisk 2. Time-restricted movement. Exercise between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. for up to 2.5 times faster strength gains. Break walks into 3 10-minute sessions to keep muscles engaged. Asterisk 3. Timed hydration. Drink 16 ounces of water 30 minutes before activity to boost muscle power by nearly 20%. Asterisk 4. Barefoot walking, just 10 to 15 minutes a day on grass, carpet, or sand improves nerve stimulation, balance, and ankle strength. The takeaway for seniors struggling with cramps, weakness, and declining mobility: correcting vitamin D, B12, and magnesium deficiencies can be life-changing. These nutrients address the root causes: poor nerve signaling, weak muscle activation, and impaired relaxation, while the right daily habits ensure lasting results. Asterisk your body wants to be strong and pain-free. With the right nutrition and movement strategies, it's possible to restore vitality and reclaim the activities you love.